Hello! Behind me we have a very famous ship from Finland. But what I have in my hand is something even more magnificent. Shasham! Japan's #1 spiciest snack. Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. Today we have Karamucho, made by KOIKE-YA Company. And as I said before, it's apparently Japan's most spiciest brand snack. Now, here's the ingredients. We have 6.9 protein, so this, I think they use a good quality potato here. And look at this cover. What is this old? It's like a granny that is juggling with the chilies, so this is really interesting cover. Is this from some anime or what? I don't know. But let's open the package and see what we have inside. Ooh, look. Here we have not so great amount of chips, only 60 grams. So this packaging is kind of like clickbait. Look, it's like 70% air, 30% potato. Yeah. Oh, look how big this is. I like when they do big chips. Nobody likes to eat the small chips. It should be big, like this. It smells spicy already. Let's take a bite. Good quality potato. No leftovers used here. Oh, the chili is coming. The chili is hitting. Very pleasant flavor. It's coming with the delay. The chili is slowly building up on my throat. I can feel it. And it's hot. It's pretty sweet also. Yeah, they use sugar here. Very sweet and spicy. It's not like those Korean snacks that are only spicy. This is also sweet. Maybe it's some syrup that they use, I don't know. Japanese know how to make a good chip. I really like the big chips. They use quality potato that are fully grown, not some small ones. The chili stopped building up. I think it hit a certain peak, then it doesn't come anymore. So it's not like those Korean ramens when you eat. It just builds up and builds up. It has hit the limit. The threshold has been hit. But if you don't like spicy food, don't worry, because it's not as spicy as Korean snacks. It's good amount of spice. It's like Tabasco sauce level, Tabasco sauce. It's not like those First We Feast shows where they have the nuclear blast with 1 million Scovilles. This is like Tabasco level, just basic. Also really like the crispiness of this. This is crispy. Sometimes the potatoes, they're like soft. Like think about Pringles. The Pringles you just bite and just crush like this, but this, you can hear it cracking in the mouth. Really pleasant potato chip experience in my opinion. No wonder this is the #1 spiciest brand in Japan, because this is really good. But yeah, what is this cover? Why is the moat here? It's hard me to understand this picture. Yeah, Karamucho, spicy and tasty hot chili, made by KOIKE-YA Corporation. I think this deserves 9.5 out of 10. It's almost perfect, almost perfect. Now, in my opinion, what they should do, remove some of the sweetness and maybe add some salt instead. Because the potato chips should be salty, not so sweet, in my opinion. Also bonus points for the quality potatoes because they're not cracking up, because this was in my bag and I run and they didn't crumble, so good quality potatoes used here. Yeah, 9.5 out of 10 for Karamucho made by KOIKE-YA Corporation. I'm here in Helsinki and thanks for watching this consumer goods review. Leave a comment below if you tasted this or not and if you liked it. And as always, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next epic episode of Consumer Goods Reviews. Thanks for watching. You know, when it's cold, you can do the eyebrow thing. I don't know why, but it's not working properly. It's like hard to control the eyebrows, but in the videos I film inside, you can see my eyebrows go like super fast, but now can't do it. I don't know why. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.